All of us have worked in teams, haven't we?
Yes.
What is it that is important to sustain the support of your team? Any answers?
Trust.
Trust.
Goodwill.
Any more answers?
Dependability.
Dependability. Trust, goodwill, dependability. I will hold these answers and I will not reveal my answer. What I will do is, I'll take you through and narrate an incident in my life. At the end of it, we will discuss the answer to this question. This happened on the 23rd of October 2009. In my previous organization, we had these birthday party celebrations, and it was the turn of my department to conduct the birthday party. There were two aspects. The first was, there was this cake cutting and there was the birthday buddies who were being felicitated. The second aspect was the dramatics. Now, the dramatics part, I was not involved in. It had a Santa Banta skit and it had a parody of the Hindi movie Padosan. So I was a bit laid back. I went across to the place where the rehearsals were taking place. What did I see? It was not Santa Banta but something else that was going on. This was an Akbar Birbal skit upon the insistence of an energetic sales guy by the name of Divesh, who was playing the role of Birbal. And another colleague of mine, Vijay, was playing the role of Akbar. And he was not able to play the role. He was not able to suit the role to his personality, probably. I thought that if I jumped into this, then something would come out of it. And if not anything else, it would accelerate the pace of the preparations. So the Akbar and Birbal enactment began. We had Divesh, who was playing the role of Birbal, and yours truly as Akbar. Yeah. What happened after this, I cannot imagine. To begin with, I, in the role of Akbar, yeah? Do I look like Akbar? Neither do I look like Akbar now, nor did I look like Akbar then. And my colleagues wrote me off. My teammates told me, please step down. I insisted. My time was running out and no changes would be acceptable at this period, because that most important commodity, time itself, was going away from our hands. So I had a couple of dialogues added in, and Divesh responded to them, and we had the Akbar and Birbal enactors up on stage. We were just waiting for our turn. And before this, there was the warm-up game which was going on. After that, we started with our skit. Akbar had lost his empire because of his dalliance and was now the logistics manager for us. Birbal was the upstart sales guy. There were dialogues thrown in. Hum Shahenshah-e Hindustan hai. And the Emperor of India. आप थे, अभी आप नहीं हो. You were not now. Things seemed to move smoothly, and we came to the end of the Akbar Birbal skit, and it concluded with an applause. And as we were being applauded, we moved away. We went out of the auditorium, and then I came back because I was to compare the next part, which was the felicitation of the birthday buddies and the cake cutting, where I was also one of the people who had his birthday in the previous month. All along, I felt my enthusiasm first dip, then I brought back my energies, but I was all the while thinking, how did the upper rebels gate go? And once the program concluded, I just glided across to these teammates. You remember the two guys who were writing me off and were disillusioned? How did it go? Hey, it was hilarious! It was the centerpiece of the whole celebration. These words were sinking in when our Vice President, Veena, looked up to me, shook me by the hand, complimented me on the performance, and then our CEO also came in. Our HR head and manager came in and congratulated me on the performance. Where my day wasn't made. And I thought it really made sense for me to jump into the fray, and something did come out of it, right? Now let us shift back to the question I asked you at the beginning of this presentation. What was the question? How do you sustain the support of your team? And my answer is to jump into the fray and something will come out of it. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Over to you.